to my YouTube channel. Hope you people are doing good. Today we will discuss about Home Depot July sale 2021. As everyone want to save money when he or she is interested to buy home appliances, furniture and household item, so they are looking for special deals that may maximize their buying experience. They can enjoy their buying and with low cost. So everyone nowadays are looking forward to Home Depot July sale, especially in United States. It is always interested to find their offers. So let's check it out. What is the Home Depot sale all about? As we have found that it is a website that offers many offers on home decor, furniture, and kitchenware. There are huge discounts and offers that are provided by the site, and the products are featured with complete information and special highlights of the prices. Most of the people wait for this time and want to avail the offers and enjoy these products. The sales like Home Depot July sale 2021 are quite common on the internet. And we must get the genuine service provider. So here it seems like the site is offering reliable products, and we have seen that many branded products are available here. So in the nutshell, it is a worth reaching out website that is Home Depot sale 2021. As far as products are concerned, products even come with free shipping to the customer's location, so you could benefit from getting home delivery without any hassle. So as we have discussed that it is starting from the last week of June itself, and great offers will be made available to give the best player for online user and for online shop user. The sale offer will go on for the some time, but as the saying goes, the first come first serve. So if you are looking for maximum benefit, that you must target this sale from the beginning, and maximum time good product gets sold in the first initial stages only. So the question you may have in your mind about when the sale will start, so the answer is by the end of last week of June. So what products they are offering? Kitchenware, furniture, household appliances. How much maximum discounts can one avail is expected 30 to 50%. So the sales like one Home Depot are always looking forward, and online shopping usually waits for such kind of deals and offers. And on checking online, we could find many great offers on the site and the internet related to this statement. So it is quite true and worth checking out this Home Depot store, that is Home Depot July sale 2021 is. So you can go and enjoy your shopping from this Home Depot July sale 2021 and save the money by availing their maximum offer deals.